Your Nothing phone has a feature known as RAM Booster, which basically allows to use your built-in storage of your Nothing phone as a virtual memory, expanding the RAM memory of your phone. So in order to find this feature, let's go ahead and use the search settings and find it. Just so you know, this phone is currently running Android 15, Nothing OS 3. So go ahead and pull down one time like this with a full swipe, and you'll go to the main settings by tapping right here. Once in this section, the quickest way to find this feature is using the search and just simply type in the words RAM Booster right here, RAMBOOSTR. Once you type it in, you're going to see this. It is part of the special features, so you can check there if you don't see it. And from here, you'll see it show up as it's flashing for you to go next, where to go next. And once you're here, you'll see RAM Booster. At default, if it's on, it would be set to 2 gigs. You have 4 and 8. Now keep in mind, this is going to use your built-in storage. So if you have the 256 gig model, then you're going to be using 2 gigs out of that for virtual memory, and also 4 or either 8, depends on your option. And if you don't want to make use of this, you feel like it's making your phone run slower, then just go with the off, and that's going to disable this feature. However, you will be prompted to restart your phone. And that's that. Like and sub.